Joining us once again to talk about the latest in the grain markets is Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist here at Oklahoma State University. Kim, the big headline to me this week, Kansas City Board of Trade is shutting down. Hard red winter wheat is moving to Chicago. Can you tell us what that's going to mean for producers here in the state?
Well, they're making noises like it's going to improve efficiency. They'll probably have more volume, a higher number of trades. But if you look back, you go back a year or so when we had the basis problems at the Chicago Board of Trade with the settlements for the corn, the beans, the wheat. We didn't really have those problems with Kansas City Board of Trade wheat. I think the Kansas City Board of Trade has been relatively efficient over the past few years. I don't know that we will increase efficiency. We may narrow that bid-offer spread a little bit, and that may improve the price just marginally, 1/10 of a cent, 1/2 a cent maybe for producers. But I think it'll just be a move from Kansas City to Chicago. I don't think the producer will see very much.
All right, now this morning I read one analyst called this a weather market. What does that mean?
Well, in my opinion, what that means is there's just not anything else to talk about right now. The wheat's in dormancy. It's in the dormancy here. It's in the dormancy Europe. It's in dormancy in the Soviet Union. We're not going to know much about the 2013 winter wheat crop until it comes out of dormancy in the late February, early March time period. And we're in drought conditions, but we've been in drought conditions. We're not going to know what happens relative to that, again, until we get in the March, April time period and see what the timely rains and the rain looks like.
Now, is there anything we really can expect the drought to really mean for this crop, though?
Well, I think the drought and the dry conditions have increased the odds of an average or better crop. We can still have an above average crop. I think we've got enough wheat plants out there, but the dry conditions and the poor crop conditions increase the odds that we're going to have below average yields and below average production.
All right, so what should producers be looking at as we head into the next few weeks?
Well, if they've still got wheat in the bins, I think they've got to be watching what's happening in the corn market and the bean market, watching the March contract. It's got support at 785. We broke through that 816 level. I think they should watch that. And on July, $8. If it goes below that, another 50 down, and 836 up to that. Then maybe we can go higher.
All right, good information as always. Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist.